welcome to the Alloro. My name is Laura and I'll be showing you around our Van Gogh apartment today. This is 1,176 square feet and it is a 2-2. Each one features its own private balcony with screened lanai, and let's see what's inside. Once you come in, you have this really nice open living space, great for entertaining. And right off of that, you have your first of 2 bedrooms. This is going to be your primary. Ample room for a dresser as well as a queen size bed. Walk-in closet over here. And then your first of 2 bathrooms with the granite countertop and walk-in shower. Beautifully appointed kitchen, all the stainless steel appliances. I think great for hosting friends and family. And if you do have someone staying with you, right over here, I'll show you the guest bedroom and bath. Guest bath here features a handy linen closet. Guest bedroom. Here, another king bed, as well as space for a dresser, and then one more walk-in. There. And last but not least, each of our homes comes with its own in-unit washer and dryer. Thanks for coming with me today, and we hope to see you soon.